This video will explain and demonstrate how to use the What If tool in DegreeWorks. The What If tool in DegreeWorks allows you to experiment with degree customizations and course additions. The What If tool allows you to view how changes in your catalog year, degree program, major, and/or minor will affect progress towards your degree completion. You can test how it might look to have a double major or dual degree. Overall, it is a helpful tool which allows you to analyze and contextualize your academic progress. Start by logging into DegreeWorks. Click on What If underneath the Student Information block. These three boxes allow you to control how the What If analysis is completed. By checking Use Current Curriculum, the tool will use your current academic situation in the analysis. By checking In Progress Classes, the tool will use classes you are currently taking in the analysis. By checking Future Term Registered Classes, the tool will use all of the future classes you are registered for while completing the analysis. In Progress Classes and Future Term Registered Classes will be checked by default, but you are more than welcome to uncheck and check them as you wish. The first option available is Catalog Year. A course catalog is an online database that lists all the courses offered by a school, college, or university, providing details like course titles, descriptions, prerequisites, and credit hours. The course catalog changes each academic year, and degree requirements often vary by academic year. Sometimes changing catalog years might make completing your degree easier given the courses currently offered by the college. When adding a double major or dual degree, your catalog year will automatically be updated to the most recent one. Select a year from the drop-down menu. A good place to start is your current catalog year, which can be found on the Academic tab of DegreeWorks. If you are exploring changing your major, be sure to use the most recent catalog year. Your next option is to change the program of study. This refers to the degree program you want to complete. Select the drop-down menu and the desired program of study from the list. This will replace the current program of study you are currently in. Next, you can add a minor. Select the drop-down and the desired minor. If you are interested in a second major, dual degree, or second minor, you can add an additional area of study. To add an additional area of study, select the drop-down to the right of Additional Area of Study. Select the box with the plus sign. Select which program you'd like to add to the degree audit. Before you select an additional minor, you must select a program. Once you have selected a program and/or minor, select the Add button at the lower right-hand side. Once you are finished customizing the What If analysis, select Process at the bottom right. DegreeWorks will then run a degree audit with your new temporary criteria. The What If audit will look just like your normal degree audit. This What If analysis can be helpful in meeting with your academic advisor. The What If tool can also be helpful for course registration and academic planning. If you would like to print, select the print icon at the top right. Before making any official changes, please discuss with your academic advisor. If you have any concerns, please contact the Registrar's Office at 607-274-3127 or registrar@ithaca.edu. Thank you.